Sister, may I ask you something? I don't understand that why is it always tough for women? And that life makes you realize you're woman.
Why is it always tough for women? But women can always make it till the end. My girls in the school can. I feel a woman can if she believes in herself.
But why did you help us? You don't even know us.
If I could be of service in saving souls in any part of the world, I would willingly do all in my power. Nano Nagel taught us to carry on and never give up.
But sister, you are a sister. Yes, a sister. Things are pretty easy for you.
For us, common girls, circumstances are different. We told you our story. Everything.
पर सिस्टर आपको क्या पता बाहर दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है?
You are so safe in the school, inside these strong walls.
Safe. Yes, we are safe in these strong walls because Lord is there with us and Almighty is protecting and helping each one of us. These walls are strong because we made it strong.
Made it strong?
Let me show you all these strong walls. With the number of children growing, the school needs a room. And I guess there is only one way: the British Railway authorities. I request you to please allow to build at least one room in the church compound. The school will help your children do well in life. Times have changed, and there is a great need of a school for your children.
We do understand the need of school, Father, but the problem is money. You must be having a school fund. Will you be able to contribute some amount, Father?
Yes, I have saved some amount, rupees 500.
Whatever may be the case, he's going to teach our kids only. Very well then, Father. I think it should not take more than 2 months to build the room.
Look at the stars, look how they shine for you, and everything you do.
The first three sisters that came were Sister Augustine, Sister Michael, and Sister Gabriel. Now, two of these sisters I knew, I met them later on, but these were the three pioneer sisters. Then there was a debt on the school. That was 26,000. Now, I quite well understand that coming to a new place, not having a lot of money, it must have been very difficult for them to start into this new school. Our foundress, Nana Nagel, always had a great love for the poor, and there must have been many Indian people wanting to be educated. I don't know if they were poor, but they would have been poor in the way that they couldn't avail of this kind of education due to the ban that was there, that they weren't allowed to be educated. So the sisters wanted to reach out to them.
ये स्कूल नहीं जाते, इनको स्कूल भेजा करो।
अरे सिस्टर, कौन से स्कूल जाएंगे? देश की हालत तो आप जानती ही हैं। काम नहीं सीखेंगे तो इन अंग्रेजों की गुलामी करते रहेंगे, और बड़ी की तो अगले हफ्ते शादी है।
What's your name? नाम क्या है तुम्हारा?
राधा। सावित्री।
स्कूल जाओगे?
स्कूल।
Why? Why all this? Who will change all this? Answer me. Who will change all this?
you writing, sister?
Letter to the Archbishop asking for permission to take Indian children in our school.
Would that be allowed with the current situation?
I don't know. I'm just doing what Nano Legal taught us.
Well, that was generally what they did. They weren't overdoing it, and it was like that. It was like that all around, you know. And everybody kept to that. And nothing was thought about that at all. They expected the principal to be that way, and strict, and you know, and respectful to those coming around. See, because they expected a lot, so they expected the looks of the principal to be in keeping with her.
Smiling and trim, finds a wee partner, curtsies to him. Finds a wee partner, curtsies to him.
The Francis Xavier School was merged into the St. Teresa's. The Department of Education did not want to name the school as St. Teresa's because there were two independent schools becoming one. So they advised us to rechristen the school as Presentation Senior Secondary School. And from then starts the story of the Presentation Senior Secondary School.
Religion. And it was only later when I heard about what happened at partition time, and that the school had to be closed for a number of weeks due to this problem.
Please leave us. Please leave us. Children don't have any religion. Please leave us. Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian. All are one. All are one. Please leave us. Please leave us.
The bank that we had invested our money in had gone into liquidation, and most of our money was invested in that bank. So this was a big problem. We faced paucity of funds in those days. But at the same time, we wanted to give the students the best that we could, and to keep the school doing as well as it could in giving the children the best of education. So we ourselves had to do some manual work.
My bunny lies over the ocean. My bunny lies over the sea. My bunny lies over the ocean. Oh, bring back my bunny to me. Bring back, bring back, bring back my bunny to me. Bring back, bring back, bring back my bunny to me. Last night as I lay on my pillow. Last night as I lay on.
What happened, sister?
Our bankers, Pillai Bank in Chandni Chowk, has gone bankrupt.
It seems there's no end to our problem. And moreover, this debt. 26,000 is not a small amount. The bank had the fees, the salaries of the staff.
He will guide us.
Merry Christmas, sister!
These walls are strong because they were made strong.
And we felt that they are sisters, far away from the real world.
After hearing of these 75 years of Presentation Convent, how all the sisters, following the path of Nano Nagel, stood up in all the ups and downs of life, so strong, like a woman.
my dad. He was strong, like sisters.
You will stand strong.
Like sisters. Strong.
Strong like Nano Nagel. Strong like sisters. Strong like Davina's father. Strong like a woman. I've thought of something.
I'll not let you go like that, Papa.
Davina?
I have some accounts still to settle.
मैं हीर हाँ तेरी, मैं पीड़ हाँ तेरी, जे तू बदल काड़ा मैं नीर हाँ तेरी। कर जानिए रांझे ओ डर जानिए रांझे, उपरों तेरिया सोचा मर जानिए रांझे। मेरा रांझा मैं रांझे दी, रांझा है चित चोर, जे करके वो मिल जाए ताकि चाहिदा है होर। ओ मेरा मेरा रांझा, ओ रांझा मेरा रांझा, ओ रांझा मेरा रांझा, ओ रांझा मेरा रांझा।
I had a grandmother. Beautiful. Just like you. My strong grandmother told me once, to feel light, you burst out God's name, loud, so that He hears you, strong.
ढूंढे हर एक सांस में डुबकियों के बाद में, हर भंवर के पास किनारे बह रहे जो साथ में, जो हमारे खास थे कर गए अपनी बात किनारे। गरमाजी सारे साथ में गैर हो भी जाए तो खुद ही तो पतवार बन पार होंगे हम। जो छोटी सी हर एक नहर सागर बन भी जाए, कोई तिनका लेके हाथ में ढूंढ लेंगे हम किनारे। किनारे कैसे होंगे कम, किनारे हैं जहाँ है हम, किनारे खुद ही तो है हम, हाँ खुद ही तो है। खुद ही से पूछ लेंगे राहें, यही कहीं मौजों में ही ढूंढ लेंगे हम। बूंदों से ही तो है बनी, बांध लेंगे लहरें, पैरों तले जो भी मिले मान लेंगे हम। किनारे 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 खुद ही तो है हम, किनारे 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 खुद ही तो है हम, हाँ खुद ही तो है
plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again. Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you, you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you work. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds, after a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it's time, you know you just gotta ignite